Okay, so guys, welcome once again over here, and this is a Huawei phone. So today, we are going to learn how to fix this problem. So this is what we have to do. It's very simple and easy. At first, what I used to do is to just try to restart this. I reboot it, but it doesn't work. And when I try to flash it, like delete everything on it, it doesn't also work. So this is how to fix this. Unfortunately, file manager has stopped on Huawei. So as you can see over here, this is Huawei. So what you have to do is to first of all tap on the power button over here. So just tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on this OK. Then you wipe it. So when you wipe it, you're going to get over here. So when you get over here, you're going to see it appearing over here. Then you just tap on OK, then tap on settings. So guys, just watch me as I'm doing. So when you get to your settings, what you have to do is to search for apps. So as you can see, we have to tap on manage application. So this is it. This is not it. So let's go back. I'm coming, guys. So guys, let's tap on this manage application, or maybe you're going to see on your own apps or applications. Just tap on it, okay? So when you get over here, what you have to do is over here on downloaded. So when you get over here, what you have to do is to just wipe it to this side, okay? So let's do it. So as you can see, it's now on SD card. Now it's now on running. Do you get me? It's now on all. Do you get me? So just move it. So when you get over here, what you have to do is to tap on this, then you tap on file manager, okay? So when you tap over here on OK, then after that tap on enable, okay? Okay, so now it has been fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. So as you can see, everything is now fixed. So that's it. That's how to fix. Unfortunately, file manager has stopped on your Huawei phone. Thank you. See you in the next one.